Hey everyone, and here's how you can build a working doorknob in Yeeps hide and seek. First thing you want to do, you want to place down the door. Next thing you want to do, put the button down. Then you want to connect some redstone or wires, wherever you want to put it. And you connect it to the door like this, so it opens up the door. You want to make the wires going all the way this way, so then you can place your note block. Make sure that it is on that thing so it makes noise when you click the button. And then you want to paint it this color. And then just build around it so you can't see anything. And just like that, you should have your doorknob done. And it opens up the door as well. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching. And